To analyze Coinbase by crypto, start by understanding the basics of cryptocurrency and the Coinbase platform. Coinbase is a popular exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. First, create an account on Coinbase and navigate to the Buy Crypto page. Here, you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies and their current prices. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy and select your payment method, which can be a bank account, credit card, or other payment options. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy, and Coinbase will display the total cost, including any fees. It is essential to understand the fees associated with buying crypto on Coinbase, as they can vary depending on the payment method and location. After reviewing the transaction details, confirm your purchase, and the cryptocurrency will be added to your Coinbase wallet. To analyze your Buy Crypto transaction, go to the Accounts page, where you can view your cryptocurrency holdings, transaction history, and account balance. To take it a step further, consider using Coinbase analytics tools, such as charts and graphs, to track the performance of your cryptocurrency portfolio. These tools can help you make informed decisions about when to buy or sell your crypto. Best practices for buying crypto on Coinbase include setting a budget, doing your research, and diversifying your portfolio. It is also crucial to understand the risks associated with cryptocurrency investments, including market volatility and security risks. By following these steps and considering these best practices, you can effectively analyze Coinbase Buy Crypto and make informed decisions about your cryptocurrency investments. Remember to always prioritize security, do your research, and stay up to date with market trends to get the most out of your Coinbase experience.